Hey everyone, I am Harshita Tanwar. Today we are leveling up our cryptography knowledge. If you have grabbed the basic and you're hungry for more, you're in the rigid place. We are diving into the advanced technique that powers secure communication and information in the digital age. So, we are going to cover up these topics. As you can see, symmetric algorithms, system cipher, DES, AES, asymmetric algorithm, public key, digital signature, hash function, cryptography protocol, PGP, and last one is attacks on cryptography. Attacks on cryptography are really interesting person or interesting topic. And now let's start with the first one, symmetric algorithms. Let me use my pen. Okay. Oi. Okay. Now, first, I'm going to take this. First one is symmetric algorithm. Refocus again. Remember symmetric inscription? Symmetric inscription. You know the inscription, right? Converting into the ciphertext, plain text into ciphertext. Some as some key for locking inscripting and for unlocking decrypting. Today we are going deeper. Okay. In symmetric algorithm, we are going to learn stream cipher, DES, AES. Okay. So what is stream cipher or system cipher? Imagine encrypting data. Okay. Imagine encrypting data. Sorry for the writing. Let's write here. It's more easy. Now imagine encrypting data. Okay. As it flows as it flows like, like a stream, like a stream. That's the idea behind stream cipher. Okay. Okay. Let me show you the diagram so you can understand more easily. Okay. Wait a minute. I already saved it up. So this is the diagram, stream cipher. This one is key stream generator. This one is scripting, ciphertext, plain text into script, then ciphertext, then descript, then plain text. This one is key stream generator. So this diagram, hope you understand this. This one is so easy, na? Stream cipher. Now you can understand more easily that what I'm talking about right now. Okay. Now let's jump into DES. What is DES? See, the data inscription standard. I'm going to write here the full form so you can understand. Data inscription standard. Okay. Sorry. Standard. In this field, but showing its age. Once considered secure, now vulnerable to brute force attacks. This is not more safer. Okay, let's clear this thing. This data encrypting standard DES, it's not more safer in comparison to AES. I'm covering this topic together. Okay, AES. So AES, the advanced encryption standard. If you can understand AES, you can differentiate more easily between AES and DES. So, the Advanced Inscription Standard AES. I'm going to write the I'm going to write the full form again of AES. Advanced Advanced Inscription Standard. Now, focus on my wordings. Okay. The Advanced Inscription Standard, AES, is our current champion. Yes, this one is our current champion. Multiple round of substitution and permutation make incredibly tough to crack. Okay, it is really tough to crack in comparison of DES. As I can say, DES is not more secure. AES is a secure platform, so incredibly tough to crack. For example, let's take an example so you can understand more easily. You're using AES every day, you know that, like Wi-Fi, secure messaging, and many more. It's everywhere. So I'm going to write here the examples. AES examples in Wi-Fi, secure system, secure messaging. Okay, let's write this messaging and many more in social media accounts. You know. Now move to the section 2. Our section 2 is this one. I like my this pen multicolor. Okay. A symmetric algorithm, public key, digital signature. This one is our second section, so you can understand. Okay. A symmetric algorithm. So first is key pair. What is key pair? What do you understand by key pair? About this word, a pair of key. So this is where things get really interesting. You know, two keys. There are two keys. I'm gonna write. There are two keys. First one is public and second is private. Okay. Public key cryptography. Public key cryptography. I'm going to talk about this topic. So in easy language, you can share your public key with the world, but your private key is your secret. Okay. As you can go through the word private, it means secret. Okay. And about the public, you can share it. You can share it. Look like a signature. Anyways, now about RSA. About RSA. There are so many definitions and full forms. So now what RSA? RSA is the most famous algorithm. Uses prime number. Uses prime numbers and as the foundation and description with their private key. Okay, with their private key. Oh, what I'm doing? Private key. Again messed up. I'm going to write it here now. Okay. Now about the digital signature. Not just security, but about the proof of authenticating tool. For an easy example, let's take a username or password of any of your social account. This is considered as your digital signature also. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. So, for an example, messed up again. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Example like username and your password to any of your social account. Okay. So this is as considered as your digital signature because only you can open your account. Okay, you are the user. You know your password. That's why. because only you can access to your account by username or password as a digital signature. So hope you understand this concept. This one is easy, our digital signature. Now let's move to the hash function. Hash function. This topic is lengthy. I'm going to tell you the important points. Okay. So about the hash function. Hash function. First one is this turns data of any size into a fixed size. Okay. This turn data of any size into a fixed size. Um, SHA 256. You can remember if you want to. SHA 256 is a rock star of a hash function with extremely low chances of collision. Okay. Second point is used for secure password storage. Used for secure password storage. Okay. Third point is, in other words, a hash function convert strings of a different length into fixed length. As I say, the hash function is convert any size into a fixed size. So we can say that it convert a string of a different length into fixed length. A string known as hash value or digest value and digest. Okay. Now the next topic is cryptography protocol. Let me write cryptography protocol. It contain TLS and SSL. Okay. Think of this as rule books. Think of these two as a rule books. Okay. For how to use cryptography in the real world. Secure your online shopping, banking, and look for that HTTPS and padlock in your browser. That's TLS and SSL in action. Hope you understand. I'm going to write it if you want to, but it's more easy to understand if I'm going to write. Let's say secure your online shopping, online shopping, net banking, okay, or look for that HTTPS and padlock in your browser. Okay, that's what TLS and SSL in action. Okay, there we are now. Now, next topic is PGP. PGP. What is PGP? PGP. As I say, there is a lot of full forms. So PGP. Pretty good privacy. Pretty good privacy. Okay. Known as PGP. Used for encrypting email and files. Used for what? Used for encrypting emails and files. This one is too easy, na? I know that. Now, attack on cryptography. I am going to tell you in advance as a cautionary note. No system is perfect and cryptography is no exception. Okay. So first one is brute force attack. First one is where I'm going to write it. Wait a minute. Right here. First one is brute force. In this, a hacker try every possible key, trying every possible key to crack it. Okay, takes time. It will takes time. You know that takes time. Okay, takes time. Lot of it with a strong password. This is why password is asked you for a length, a good length, and complexity matter. Okay, this one is so easy now. Lengthy password, lengthy password. Okay. Second one is man in the middle. Man in the middle. Man in the middle. So TLS and SSL helps to protect against this. It offer hackers a path to interrupt, intercept sensitive information and details. Okay, such as username, password, credit card number, bank details. It is dangerous because the user has no idea there is another person or another presence between them and the application they are interacting with. The third party is involved in this. So this is why this called in man in the middle. Between two persons, there is third presence. Okay, because there is a third party involved. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg. So that Titanic sank again. Oh, sorry, this one is a lame joke again. There is so much more to explore in the cryptography. Okay, so this is for now. Hope you understand this topic. I'm going to tell you again. Symmetric algorithms contain cipher, system cipher DES, AES. DES is not more secure. AES is a champion, a secure champion. A symmetric algorithm, public key you can share with the world. Private key is secret. Digital signature as a password or a username in your social account. Hash function, as you know, 256 SHA. Okay. Cryptography protocol, as I say that there are a lot of thing in the cryptography protocol. Okay. You have to learn about it more if you want to. This one is a good topic. So it contains TLS and SSL, secure online shopping, banking, and look for HTTP padlock in your browser. Okay. PGP is pretty good privacy. It protect emails and files. And attack on cryptography is a brute force, trying every possible key by the hacker. It will take time, so use the lengthy password. Okay. And second is man in the middle. The third party is involved. The presence is involved, so they can access to your informations like bank details and other things, which is which is important. Okay. So this is for now. I hope you understand the topic and bye bye. Take care.